a slight lead here early in the match. Everybody driving around. Balls being scored, being thrown in from the human players. D25 looking for a blue goal to score, and they catch up. They're going to try to dump them in, shooting them one at a time. Get a couple of them in, but then that blue robot out of Israel pulls away. Now they catch up again. Score 61 out of Purdue, trying to score on that blue goal. They can't line it up though. 70 seconds remaining in the match. Red Alliance with an 18-point lead. 23-48 scoring on a red goal. Over on the right side of the field. Shooting again, 23-48. 461 Westside Boiler Invasion. Shooting into a blue goal. As we go under a minute to go, 52 seconds to go. Red Alliance with a 20-point lead. One of the empty cells has made it over to the Blue Alliance station in the back right corner. So that could turn into a supercell when we get to the last 20 seconds of this match. We're under half a minute to go, so that's only 6 seconds from now. Red with a commanding lead now. They built it up over 20 seconds, and now we go under 20 seconds. Here comes the supercell. That Blue Alliance human player with under 10 seconds, holding that ball, looking to shoot. He throws it, and it falls to the ground. And time expires here. We will